Namaskar. I'm Rashmi Soni. I'm currently living in Dubai, UAE, and my profession is software engineer. I'm working for a bank in Dubai. I just wanted to share my experience on theta healing. I have done finance sessions with Amit for theta healing, and I have initially I have not seen much difference, but as Amit said, there will be one thing will happen that suddenly you will get money from somewhere where you are not expecting, and that happened to me, and I was so surprised on that moment, and I have shared that with Amit that this happened to me. And post that, the flow of money, the flow of finances increased in my life. Earlier, like, my account was almost zero. Every time when salary comes, it goes off just like that. But after doing theta finance sessions, I have done 4 sessions of finance. So after that, I have noticed the flow of money has been increased. I have purchased assets, and I have helped my family as well for buying assets, and for many different ways the money flow has been increased in my life overall. So I'm really very thankful to Amit for that, because it could have happened just because he did this session. And somewhere I have this in my mind that yes, once I'll be done with this session, something will happen. So it happens magically. It will not happen just like that. But yes, over the period of time, you will notice that things are happening, things are moving in a way you want it. And I'm so thankful and I'm so relaxed now that the money flow and my finances are getting stabilized now. And see, money can come in any ways. Either it can come from somewhere, you can get bonuses, you can get the loans, but somewhere you are getting the money flow is happening in your life. That is more important. So I'm really thankful to Amit, and I'm really thankful to theta healing also. And also I have learned few of the levels of theta healing from Amit, so that is also a different level of experience. And since my childhood, I was as I'm from Ujjain, so it's like a very holy place. So there we see all the spiritual things happening around us. So since childhood I was spiritual, but I get more guidance when I've come across the theta healing. And somehow in between I have stopped doing theta healing due to some reasons. So now Amit always says that creator will automatically bring you to his path. If he want you to be in that path, he will bring you automatically. So yes, that happened to me. And how it happened is like, recently I have done the inner engineering program of Sadhguru's Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya. And when I was doing it daily basis, I'm experiencing new things in that, which I have never experienced. So yes, I can say the spiritual growth also increased. So you will not know, your subconscious mind somewhere, what it is looking for, it will get you through that. So just be careful with your thoughts, just be careful with what you are saying, because this all matters a lot. And when you are saying, and when you are thankful to theta, and when you are thankful to few spiritual things, anything, if you are thankful to, if you are acknowledging that, that will happen in more significant way in your life. This was also told by Amit to me. He told me that if you'll acknowledge this all these things, then yes, it will magnify its effect, and it will happen more regressively in your life. So yes, things are getting better, things are getting cleared off. And yes, I'm really happy to share my review. So thank you so much, thank you Amit, and thanks to theta healing also.